Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are joining us for the very first time, welcome. My name is Amaka and today I'm going to be spring cleaning my house, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it encourages somebody out there to go out and clean up their space. But anyway, sit back and relax and just enjoy and watch me clean up my house. So, break in transmission, guys. At this juncture, I realized I had a banging headache. So, rather than continue with my cleanup, I chose to pause, move my gloves, take some medication, rest before I get back to cleaning. we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.